BlackRock. You hear that name everywhere on Wall Street. It's synonymous with power and influence in the financial world. But where did it come from? How did it rise to such prominence? Let's go back to 1988. The financial landscape was very different back then. That's when 8 ambitious guys led by Larry Fink started this company. They had a vision and a plan. They were experts in bonds, a niche but crucial area of finance. Back then, it was a small part of Blackstone, a bigger financial firm. They were just a small team with big dreams. Their big idea? Help investors understand risk, especially with bonds. They wanted to demystify the complexities of the bond market. See, bonds were seen as boring, safe. Most people didn't realize the intricacies involved. BlackRock showed they could be complex and that understanding these complexities could lead to better investment decisions. This made them valuable advisors. Their expertise was sought after by many. By 1992, they were managing $17 billion, a big deal back then. Their reputation was growing. The name BlackRock came in 1994. It was a rebranding that signified strength and stability. It sounded strong, just like they wanted to be, and strong they became. Their success was celebrated widely. They split from Blackstone in 1994. This was a strategic move to establish their own identity. This was a turning point. It marked the beginning of their journey as an independent entity. They were on their own, ready to grow even bigger. Their ambition knew no bounds, and they were poised for exponential growth. The late 90s saw the rise of the internet. It was a time of rapid technological advancement and innovation. People were just beginning to understand the potential of this new digital frontier. BlackRock didn't miss a beat. They saw the writing on the wall and knew that technology would be the key to future success. They invested heavily in technology, pouring resources into cutting-edge systems and software. This forward-thinking approach set them apart from their competitors. This allowed them to manage more money more efficiently. Their operations became a model of efficiency and effectiveness, enabling them to handle larger and more complex portfolios. They also started offering exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs were a game changer. They provided a new way for investors to diversify their portfolios with ease. They let people invest in baskets of assets like the S&P 500. This innovation made investing more accessible to the average person. BlackRock's iShares ETFs became incredibly popular. Investors flocked to these new financial products, driving their success. They were buying other companies too. This strategy of growth through acquisition helped them expand their reach and capabilities. In 2008, they got Merrill Lynch Investment Managers. This acquisition was a significant milestone in their growth journey. Talk about a power move. This bold step solidified their position as a leader in the financial industry. This was during the financial crisis. Many firms struggled. BlackRock thrived. Their resilience and strategic planning paid off. They helped the government stabilize markets. This boosted their reputation. Their expertise was in high demand during these turbulent times. They were the adults in the room. Their leadership and experience were crucial in navigating the crisis. By 2012, they hit a milestone $4 trillion in assets. This remarkable achievement was a testament to their vision and hard work. Think about a number $10 trillion. It's a figure so vast it's almost beyond comprehension. That's more than the entire economies of most countries. In fact, only a handful of nations have a GDP that even comes close. Now imagine BlackRock managing that much money. It's not just a dream, it's a reality. Actually, they manage even more. Their reach extends far beyond what most can imagine. As of 2024, it's more like $10 trillion. This staggering amount is a testament to their influence. That's bigger than the GDP of Japan. Just think about that for a moment. What does BlackRock do with all this money? The possibilities are almost endless. They invested in everything: stocks, bonds, and so much more. Real estate, infrastructure projects, you name it. Their portfolio is incredibly diverse. They're like a giant whale swimming through the financial ocean. Their movements are felt everywhere. And when they move, markets feel the ripple. Their decisions can cause waves across the globe. They own pieces of almost every major company: Apple, Microsoft, Google, you name it. This gives them tremendous influence. Their power in the financial world is unparalleled. Section 4. The BlackRock Effect. Some people call it the BlackRock Effect because they're so big, their decisions have a huge impact. When they buy a stock, the price goes up. When they sell, it goes down. This makes them incredibly powerful. They're more than just an investment firm. They're a force of nature in the financial world. But this power comes with scrutiny. People criticize their size. They worry about BlackRock having too much influence. There are also concerns about their investments in fossil fuels. Climate activists want them to do more for the environment. Section 5, Navigating the Future. So, what's the future hold for BlackRock? They're already a giant, but they're not standing still. They're investing heavily in technology, especially artificial intelligence. They're also looking at new markets like China. Challenges remain though. Competition is heating up, regulations are changing, and the world economy is uncertain. But one thing's for sure. BlackRock will be a major player for years to come. They'll have a big say in shaping the future of finance.